All right, so right here for number 4, it says write each question in logarithmic form. And down for number 5, it says write each question in exponential form. So here, our questions are in exponent form, and then here, our questions are in log form. So I'm just going to start by saying log form versus exponential form are just simply different formats. Doing the same math in a different format, if that makes any sense. One undoes the other one. So let's think about how these two forms kind of relate to each other. So if I wrote b to the x, the b is the base, to this exponent equals the output y, this is exponential form. And the reason why this is exponential form is simply because it has an exponent, okay? And then if we're thinking about log form, what we're going to have is we're going to take the log, and we're just writing it with log, of this base, comes down here, and it's going to be whatever this output is going to go right here. And then this is all going to be equal to x, that exponent, and this is logarithmic form, or I'm going to put log form. So essentially, if you look, we have the same variables. The only thing different is for log form, we have this log here, but it's just in a different order. So look at that. So key thing here is identifying the parts of the problem. So if we look right here, this 12 is our base, that 2 is our exponent, and then that 144 is our y, is our output. So this is in exponential form, so we want to go to log form. So for log form, first we just write log. We take our base, and that goes down. Our base is 12. And then we put our output, or our y, right here. So that's 144. And that's equal to our exponent. So this is going to be equal to 2. And that's how you solve that. Coming down here to number 5, we're now in log form, and we're going to exponential form. So again, I'm just going to label the different parts. So I know this is my base. I know this is my output right here, and I know this is my exponent, so I'm writing that there, and I'm thinking about this right here. So this time I'm putting in exponential form. So I'm going to take my base, which is 3, and I'm going to raise it to my exponent, which is 4, and it's going to be equal to my output, which is 81. And that is how you solve these. You go from one form to the other form. It really helps as you label each part and know which part of the problem correlates with which part. Key thing here that you need to know for this one is log always has a base of 10 if it's not marked. It always has a base of 10 if it's not marked.